ones, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Vite Ramen. This is their garlic tonkotsu, garlic pork tonkotsu version 3.0 instant noodle soup. So the story of these guys, they started a Kickstarter campaign and said they wanted to make some ramen that was healthy. And they did really well on the Kickstarter, and we have that. It smells nutty. It has quinoa flour, all sorts of cool stuff in there. And yeah. And now we are going to cook it. And we're going to make it so you can watch it getting cooked, because that's what you have voiced that you want to do. So now you get to look at that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Ah, it's so much better now that you can see water boiling with noodles in it. But that's cool. That's cool if that's what you want. Once again, I give you what you want. Here, you can also see the background. So I just put up my it's like a new poster now because it's been hiding behind the computer, but on the wall, and you can't see it, unfortunately. But whoa! See, this is how it works. This is how it happens. But there's a movie that you should see if you haven't seen it called The God of Cookery, and it's a 80s Hong Kong movie with Stephen Chow. He's pretty funny, and it's basically like a comedy about Iron Chef. In a way, but it's pretty cool. I recommend it. You would like it. I know what you like. What a gift I give to you every day. But yeah, so this is a tonkotsu. They're pretty good. I like this guy's stuff. They make good stuff, and it's healthy. So that's cool. A lot of fiber, a lot of protein, lower cal. It's under this one's under 500 calories, which 500 calories is a lot. Yeah, you don't know what you're talking about. But I've seen ones that have been way higher, and then like this one, it's kind of like tune the sodium to where you want it. I think this one's like 700 maybe, and then it mentions if it's not salty enough, add some salt. So as long as they put something like that on the label, then that kind of, I adhere to the cooking directions. So if they're saying that I can do that, then I am all down to do that and tune it to my taste. If something's bland and it doesn't mention adding sodium to it, then it is what it is. But if you can add it as per directions, then that's a different story altogether. That's a horse of a different color. I want a horse of a different color, like a green horse. But can't have everything. But we're about to have noodle, and people are sending me messages left and right. It is just the way it is, and yeah. So there we go. I'd like to congratulate my elder son, Andy. He has captured all 649. Whoa. Yeah, it's getting windy outside. That next system must be blowing in with all the heat coming soon. But he caught, he'd been playing, what is it, Pokemon Black and White, I think? He plays the game, the DS games, and he does anyways, he caught all 649 Pokemon within, actually, what's today, the 25th? He said he started July 28th, and it's August 25th, and he caught all of those. So, congratulations to you in your quest to catch them all. Yeah, he's been into Pokemon for years. You ask that kid anything about Pokemon. Well, that man, he's 18 now. You ask him anything about Pokemon, and he will let you know, thusly, and with all the information you could possibly want, and probably more than you need. But he's pretty. He should be like a historian, like a Pokemon expert. He could do that. Big time. He knows stuff about that franchise that is just like crazy. Anyways, here's the noodle. Let's give it a try. It's hot. Oh. I like it. It's got really nice chew to it, a rustic feel. And I'm gonna do the broth without any seasoning, or I mean, I'm not putting anything external in it. It's got a nice, yeah, a little bit of salt. It's got a nice pork flavor to it. I like it. I mean, it is not I think a lot of people that are really into, like, you know, economy pillow packs might poo-poo it because they don't understand that it's not just like loaded up with sodium, but it's good. I really have liked this one a lot, quite a bit, a lot. But yeah, that's, I mean, when you look at this, for 500 cal, that's a lot of noodle. The only thing that's a bummer that I wish they could pull off is for the gluten-free crowd. Since my wife went gluten-free, it's like, it was something that I didn't pay any attention to, and then all of a sudden became very mindful about. And it seems like that crowd would definitely like something, but really the only way to go would be like a rice noodle. And I know a lot of the protein and fiber and stuff that's in this one is in the noodle block, and that would be really hard to make an infused noodle block. I don't know how you would even pull that off. I'm looking for my oil. Oh, where's that oil? Where's my oil? It's got to be around here somewhere, folks. I am looking. Aha, and it's not even open yet. Cool, and I got the good one. I was going to use this sesame fire oil. I'm going to use this, which is a really neat thing. I'm opening it as we speak. So this is this house. You know, this is S&B. S&B Leu chili oil with bits. Bits? What do you mean bits? It's even got a little button on it. Come on. Oh, I gotta take a little seal off, don't I? Yes. Yes, gotta take the little seal. And not spill it all over the place. God, that reminds me of the time when I did a couple of like the hottest, spiciest ramen reviews ever. And the kids were gone, and then I had to make sure that all that stuff was cleaned up, because if it wasn't and the kids touched it, this was years ago, so they were really little. Regardless of age, it would be pain. And yeah, I was like freaking out. It's like my gut was going crazy, and my gut was wrenching, and I was worried about the children touching anything that was remotely related to that spicy review. I was like doubled over, like doing dishes. Interesting. It's interesting to see what this stuff does to things. I mean, look what it did there. It does things, folks. And we got an egg. Everybody loves eggs. I like eggs. I'm gonna go for this extra soft softie. It's gonna hop in. This weather's nice. It feels like a preview of what fall is gonna be. I mean, I'm still wearing my pajamas. Can you believe it? I'm still wearing my pajamas. At least pajama pants. I might wear this shirt today. I don't know. Maybe not. I was thinking of wearing my coronavirus shirt. Yes, I have a coronavirus shirt. It looks like, you know, some kind of like horror show, angry looking text. Like if there was a band called Coronavirus, like a metal band. Yeah. Some mung bean sprout. But definitely, today's the last day of these mung bean sprouts. What's the other one I put? Oh, I'm putting an egg in that one. Okay. I was like, if I'm putting an egg in, why am I not putting in more chashu? But that's because the third one is Indonesian, and it's a Indonesian beef and organ meat soup variety. No, that's the fourth one. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. And a little seed. What I want is a little tiny garnish spoon for sesame seed. I'm a weirdo like that. Who'd have thought? I used to collect Transformers like when I was a kid. And then now all I want is like really weird, exotic cooking stuffs. Come on, Bubbles. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. So here is our tonkotsu. Let's let Rotato work its funky magic. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is, check this out. Here's something for fusion for you. This is Cup Noodles Italian Delight. This is a product of India, and I found this at Apna Bazaar next to Chuck E. Cheese in beautiful Bellevue, Washington. Went there after my son's 8th birthday. So, say happy birthday to Miles. been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoy me to your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, get a membership if you're insane. Have a good one. Bye-bye.